everybody, Dwayne Raines with KeyDigital Systems here. I'm here with Eduardo Barrera with the Midtown Global Market here in Minneapolis. We're very excited about this new project with Innovative Sales Solutions. And Eduardo, I'd like for you to tell us a little bit about the Global Midtown Market. What's it all about here in Minneapolis? How does it serve the community? And just give us the whole pitch behind it.
Sure. Thank you for the opportunity to tell you the story and the background about Midtown Global Market. Midtown Global Market is an incubator space that we have and created in order to provide opportunities for minority entrepreneurs to start their own business and grow. The intention is to cultivate an economic activity in the neighborhood that will benefit not just the business owners, but the entire community as a whole.
So how many entrepreneurs, how many businesses are in Global today?
Currently, we have 13 restaurants. Those restaurants represent many parts of the world. We have Asian food, we have Middle East food, we have African food, we have Latino food. We have a wide variety of options for the customer to come and enjoy.
Excellent, excellent. And so this project that we're talking about here with the KeyDigital products within it, some of the displays around, we've got these great two kind of video walls with our 2x2 MLV processor showing video content. How has that helped with the overall experience here at Global?
Well, first of all, thank you, because this is going to be a game changer. This is going to be a game changer in the sense that we are going to be more out there for the customer, not just in terms of showing what is here, but also guiding them through the facility, where you can go, where you can find your favorite product, your favorite food, what you can do, what are the restrooms, what kind of a facility do we have. So this is going to be a game changer that we didn't have before in this kind of a format.
Excellent.
And so now having these big screens along with the individual the screens in each one of the entrances is going to give us a big boost to inform the visitor about Midtown Global Market.
I'm here with John Peterson, our good friend from Innovative Sales Solutions in Minneapolis, more respectively Edina. And John, we're here at Midtown Global Market, and this is a really fun project that you guys have done. So tell us about what all is in the system, because this is a really, really cool facility, and we're standing in front of part of it right now. So tell us a little bit about what they were looking for and what you encountered.
They wanted to be able to advertise and do specials and promotions to draw their customers to their locations, as well as do some more ROI on it as well, so they could sell some of the space or advertising via a video wall, right? So before they had a 2x2 video wall, it didn't look very good. So we decided to put an 86-inch. The first thing I thought of, because they wanted to do the quads like they had a 4x4, was to do the MLV 4x4.
Absolutely.
So in this particular case, we did the 4x4. I have 3 Android points for each zone, and I have a loop TV in this case here for the 4th zone to fill it out. So
excellent. And besides that, you've got other displays throughout the facility.
Absolutely right. So we came out of our Android player, go into a 2x8. And then out of that, we did extenders and decoders and encoders to 5 different spots to 65-inch displays throughout all the entranceways. So they wanted to capture all the customers coming in with the same advertising. But they wanted the same content playing at every entry point. That's why we used the 2x8 and ran extenders, so it's all playing the exact same content that's on the one Android player.
Excellent. Well, listen, you've done a great job, and it looks beautiful.
Wow, thanks a lot. It turned out really nice, so appreciate all your help.
Thank you, John.
Thank you.